Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix TikTok video stuck in processing. So let's get right into our video. So you are trying to upload a video on TikTok and it shows stuck in processing, or that video does not upload on your account. It might be because you have violated some TikTok community guidelines. So if you open up a browser and search for TikTok community guidelines, you can find the following guidelines like violence and hateful behavior, harassment and bullying, adult nudity and sexual activities, and following other guidelines that you shouldn't violate while uploading a video on TikTok. So you have to check if your video is violating these following guidelines, but if it's not, it might be because you have a poor internet connection. So you have to check if you have a strong internet connection. To check that, what you can do is just open up a new tab on your browser and then search for speed test. And tap on the first option. And now you have to tap on go, and now it will check if your internet is strong enough. So if it shows on 1 or 5, so you have a poor internet connection. If it shows on 75 or 50, you have a strong internet connection. So you have to check if you have a poor internet connection, and you have to fix if it is. So if it's not the case, it might be because you have a TikTok problem in your software, or your TikTok has some glitches. To fix that, what you can do is just come back to your home screen and open up your settings application, and in search bar search for TikTok, and here you can find the TikTok app. Just open up that app and you will find storage and cache. You have to tap on that and then clear your cache, and after clearing your cache you have to go back on your TikTok account and then try to upload that video, and it might work. But if this doesn't work, what you can do is come back to your home screen and tap on the power button and then restart your device. After restarting your device, you might fix your problem. So these were the fixes for your problem to how to fix TikTok video stuck in processing. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubt, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.